Hello and welcome back to Qiqqa. My name's Jimmy and I'm going to show you some of the cool features that we've added to Qiqqa to help you manage your collection of hundreds or thousands of PDFs. The library screen in Qiqqa shows all of the PDFs that you have in your Qiqqa database. You can sort through your library by title, authors and year. You can find the documents you've read recently or the documents you've added recently. You can just scroll through them in alphabetical order. It's extremely quick no matter how many documents you have in your database. You can use the full text search feature. So for example, there I've searched for the word topics. That's searched not only through the author and titles and tags and comments that you might have added to your PDFs, but it also is a full text search of the text inside those PDFs. And if you have those PDFs that are very old, or maybe PDFs generated from scans, and you have found before using other products that like Adobe Reader that you can't actually search the text in them, well, Qiqqa automatically runs optical character recognition on these documents so that you can find text no matter where it is, in image figure names, in tables of contents, in captions. Qiqqa will find that text and you'll be able to search through it using the quick search. Alternatively, if you've tagged your documents, you can use the Tag Explorer. What this then allows you to do is drill into those documents that have particular tags. So for example, here I've drilled into the 12 documents that have text segmentation as a tag. And if I want to drill further, well, some of those documents I've tagged with text segmentation and the word dynamic programming. By selecting that, I'm drilling deeper and deeper into my set of documents. So here, for example, you can see all the documents that are text segmentation using dynamic programming, and well, you can see their titles sort of lead you to believe that. Right, let's have a look at one of these documents. Well, before I do that, if you hover over this button here, you'll see a snapshot of the front page of your PDF, so you can see very quickly if that's the document you're actually looking for. Alright, let's open one of these up. Here we have the Qiqqa PDF Reader. It has most of the features of all your other favorite PDF readers, but it has a few more that we think you're going to find really useful. The first is managing your documents metadata. Qiqqa automatically will find the titles of your papers either by searching the underlying metadata inside the PDF, perhaps the author of that PDF added a title to the document. If he hadn't done that, well then Qiqqa will scan or analyze the front page of the PDF and find the text with the largest writing and use that as the title. Alternatively, if that's failed, you can always select a piece of text, right-click it, and use it as the paper title. Whatever the case, once you have a paper title, we can then turn to the internet to fill out the rest of your metadata. Simply by pressing the BibTeX button, Qiqqa will automatically populate Google Scholar with the title of your paper, and 9 times out of 10, the very first record returned by Google Scholar will be the paper of interest. If it's not, well, you can change your search query, hit search, and until you find the paper at the top of the Google Scholar results or any one of the Google Scholar results, you click the Import into BibTeX button, or hyperlink, and you say use this for BibTeX and close. And you'll see it's populated a BibTeX record here with the document, and the corresponding title, author, year has been filled out using that information. Even better, all of these BibTeX records will be available to you when it comes time for you to write up your PhD thesis or your journal article, because Qiqqa allows you to export all of your BibTeX articles into your favorite LaTeX editor. Maybe it's Lix or maybe it's Scientific Workplace, so that you can manage your references and your citations easily, with ease. You can add comments to your documents. These comments participate in the full text search, so if you're hunting for documents from the library index, well, anything you've typed into here will show up. You can also indicate how far you've read this document, what you thought of the document, and is it your favorite or not. You can also give it tags. Well, this document is about topic models, so I'm going to type the word topics in there. Notice as I was typing, it offers me some of the other tags that I've already used before, so it's as easy as that. I don't really have to think of all the tags I've used before to make sure that I'm going to be able to aggregate them correctly under the same topic, under the same tag name. Another thing you can do is select some text and add that as a tag. There you see it there. What you'll notice if I go back to my library and I refresh my tags, well, it's turned up under LDA. If I go look for topic modeling, you'll see this paper is now sitting under the topic modeling section. Alright, let's close down the metadata. It uses quite a bit of space when it's open. Let's close it down. Let's focus on the document. First thing I find really useful is to be able to zoom out to a bird's eye view of the document. Often you've already read a document and you're just trying to remember a particular diagram or something. Well, simply by double-clicking a page, it'll zoom into it, and double-clicking again, it'll zoom out again. If you want to be searching across your documents, well, it's as simple as typing into the search box here, and you'll see all the areas in red are search terms or matches of that word latent. More interestingly, if you search for multiple terms in here, you'll see that they're each found and highlighted in a different color. This really easily lets you scan from a bird's eye view those areas of the documents that are talking about something that you might be particularly interested in. This page would be pretty boring to you. A page with lots of color is speaking a lot about the search terms you're talking about. Another thing is to annotate your document. Here you can see I've already highlighted in blue a region. It's as simple as clicking on the annotation icon, dragging out an area of interest, potentially changing a color so it stands out for you, giving it a bit of a comment. Later on I'm going to show you what you can do with these annotations that's really powerful, but for now let's just leave it at that. If I zoom out again, you'll see there's now two areas annotated there. A third feature that's rather useful is the automatic generation of a table of contents or of bookmarks. A lot of PDFs don't come with automatic bookmarks, and it's quite a bit of work to jump to the various sections. Maybe you just want to jump to the references section or to the conclusion section. Let's say you're looking at an entire page here, and I want to jump to the references section. Well, there it is. It's jumped straight in there. Qiqqa has generated this automatically just by analyzing the text in your document. You don't no more scrolling through a 25-page document, just looking for the introduction and the abstract. There you go, introduction. Obviously, if the PDF comes with a built-in table of contents or bookmark section, Qiqqa will use that instead. You can print your documents. You can have your document read out loud to you. Another interesting one is being able to convert your entire document to text. You press that button and it's turned into text that you can then export to Word or that you can then print out. Let's have a quick look at the document annotation. Notice I highlighted these sections here. If I go back to my library, I've got these two documents filtered at the moment. I've only selected the two documents that have the term topic modeling. If I go press the Create Annotation Report button, it will generate a report that consists only of the areas that I've highlighted in those documents. And it will only be for those documents where I've filtered them in here. So if I want an annotation report for my whole library, well, I clear all the tags. There it is. I run my report. And the minute this report is built, which could take quite a while because I have about 125 documents that I've been working on for my research so far, once that report is built, it basically shows, look at this, it looks like I've written a paper. Well, this is just literally just highlighting areas of documents. There's the document's name, there's who wrote it and the year it was written in, and tells you which page it was on. And if you click on the annotation, well, it will automatically take you to the paper that had that image in it, or that had that annotation in it. There you can see it. So it's really easy to jump from your annotation report to your actual documents that have those annotations. Well, that's about all the time that I have to show you some of the features that Qiqqa has to offer. There are loads more already in Qiqqa, and there are loads more arriving every day and every week. We're having a lot of fun building this product, and I'm hoping you're going to have as much fun using it. If you have any problems, if you have any feedback, I would love to hear from you. Our website lets you send that information really quickly and easily. Thanks for your time and enjoy the program. Cheers, bye.